Hey coin collectors, welcome back to CoinAZ. Thanks to your likes, our channel's subscriber count has recently reached 216,000. We really appreciate your support, guys. Today I'm going to show you some of my beautiful Sacagawea dollars. One of them is circulated, while the others are in different mint conditions. Here is a 2000D Sacagawea dollar that has been in circulation. Its surface is slightly worn. There are two large imperfections in the central areas of the coin. The D mint mark indicates it was minted in Denver. This was the first year the U.S. Mint issued Sacagawea dollars for circulation. The mintage for this coin was over 580 million. Its composition consists of 88.5% copper, 6% zinc, 3.5% manganese, and 2% nickel. Due to its high mintage, the 2000D Sacagawea dollar is not particularly rare. However, in MS67 condition and higher, it becomes valuable. Even in superb gem condition, MS68, these coins are worth around $75. Specimens graded MS68 Plus are considered rare and can be worth over $400. Now let's move on to the next year, 2001. Here is a brilliant uncirculated Sacagawea dollar from Denver. Its surface glows with vibrant manganese luster and appears nearly flawless. The obverse displays sharp details, and the relief design is well struck. The mintage for this coin was over 70 million. In MS67 condition, it is worth about $30, while in MS67 Plus condition, it can reach $52. Coins in MS68 grade are valued at over $265. Next, let's talk about the 2005 Denver issue. There are two variants, regular and Prooflike. I suspect this is a Prooflike variant due to its nearly perfect strike and exceptional luster preservation. Even in MS66 condition, Prooflike versions are worth over $250. If certified by PCGS or NGC and graded MS67 Plus or MS68, its value could increase significantly. Now let's take a look at the 2016 Sacagawea dollar. The same story here. Unbelievable definition on the relief, radiant luster, and almost proof-like surfaces. This year's mintage was very low. Only around 3 million coins were struck. In MS67 condition, this coin is worth $75, while in MS67 Plus it reaches $340. A specimen graded MS68 can be valued at $340, over $4,500. Thanks for watching. If you have beautiful Sacagawea dollars like these and want to showcase or sell them, sign up on our website and start posting your coin ads. See you in the next video.